Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Windows build and why DirectX 9. 0C is required, compatibility matters. Once done, download the official DirectX 9. 0C redistributable and prepare admin credentials so installation can write system files. Make a system restore point now. It provides a rollback if something goes wrong. Also, check GPU drivers and note current versions. Outdated drivers often mimic DirectX errors. Proceed to run the installer as administrator. Do not skip the redistributable package step. You run the DirectX 9. 0C installer with elevated rights, extracting files to a temp folder so you can access individual DLLs. Once extracted, copy only the specific D3DX9*. DLL files into the application folder first, then into the System32 or SysWOW64 folder if required. Next, run sfc/scano to detect corrupted system files and dism on newer Windows to restore component store health. Make sure to reboot between major steps to let drivers. You finish by registering any DirectX COM DLLs using regsfor32 when the installer didn't auto-register them. This fixes many launch time errors. Then test the target application under compatibility mode and run as administrator, because permission and legacy flags can matter. If the app still fails, run process monitor to capture missing files or registry access denials. This reveals what the app seeks. One key troubleshooting tip: revert to your system restore point if system instability appears, then iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.